Hello, and welcome to Laude El Altillo School's engineering workshop. I'm Rafael Corrales, one of the workshop's founding members, and I'm here to tell you about the story of how the workshop was created. Last year, our teacher, Mr. José Luis, decided to create this activity as a way of making more fun and enjoyable to students to learn technical skills. Our goal here in the engineering workshop was to create a both enjoyable and useful new machine for the school. That's how our 3D printer was born. It took 6 months to build. It is now working and we are able to create and build any kind of 3D figures that we want. The way our 3D printer works is very simple. By understanding the program that the computer sends to its motherboard, it is able to melt this type of plastic called the PLA and begin to create layer by layer our own figures. Now, this can be a very useful tool for a school because not only we can build any kind of piece we want, but we can also build better parts for our 3D printer. As you can see, this one has been built by ourselves and is currently working and being used to pull and maintain the plastic on top of it. This piece has also been built by a 3D printer, and it basically mounts the fan onto the motherboard, so when it's working it can be cooled. Now, one of our ideas is to use this 3D printer to allow students from second bachillerato, also known as 12th grade, to build any kind of piece they have previously worked on. We are taught how to use a very specific software called Blender that allows us to create and build on the computer various 3D pieces. Now, if by any chance one of us is very proud of its work and would want it to see it come to life, then he or she could bring the file to us and we'll be able to print it.